Name one thing you're an expert at the first time you tried it. I started making movies. I wasn't that good. I started making beats. It took me a while to get the hang of it. My first couple of beats were pretty whack. The SP1200. The first person I dated was awful. I didn't say a word to her the entire time we dated. All we did that I remember was we skated. And this was like in, what, 3rd or 4th grade or something like that? Or maybe it was 5th grade. I'm trying to think of something I was really good at. Basketball I wasn't good at when I first tried it. I had training wheels on my bike. You probably did too, I'm assuming, if you ride a bike. Driving my car. It took me a while to learn. Improv, I really thought I was good when I started. I wasn't. I was really bad. Even coaching, I had to dial it back. I was trying too hard, not realizing it's about the other person. I just am never good at anything the first time I try it. And then when I am, it kind of feels like a fluke, because that's what it is. My point is, we all start somewhere. So if you are saying you're bad at something, I'm bad at this, I'm bad at that, I'm bad at dating. Okay, well, who taught you? It's something you learn. It's something you get experience with the more you do it. I'm bad at sex. Okay, well, how many times have you had sex? Are you taking that bad thing and using it as a lesson, as a stepping stone to get better at it? Are you going out and are you improving? Are you getting the help you need to learn? Are you putting in the reps? That's what they always say. You got to put in the reps, It's so corny. I don't even like that, but I get what it means. It means you have to do something daily so you get better at it. I'm better on camera. I know for a fact I'm better on camera now than I was when I started. And I was terrified. I was so different when I started this. It's like, that's what happens the more you do stuff. So every time I see someone saying, I'm so bad at this, I'm bad at that, I'm bad at this, just remember, no one's an expert when you first start. And that also includes okay, right now I'm doing stand-up. I'm not that good at it. In fact, I was doing it weekly and then I stopped doing it weekly. And now I feel like I'm starting from zero again. Point is, give yourself some grace. We don't start off as experts. And we beat ourselves up because we're not good at something the one time we try it. Try it over and over again. Maybe you did something wrong. Use it as an experiment. If you're dating a lot, you're going on a lot of dates. You should start noticing things. And if you don't notice things and you're like, every person I go on treats me the exact same way, it might be you. You might be doing something, you don't know it, but you're not paying attention. You have to learn from your growth. You have to fail. You got to fail, fail, fail. I'm telling you, I went on so many dates and I learned very quickly I don't like one-night stands. And I also don't like not communicating before sex, because some woman bit my neck and it hurt. I don't know if she was a vampire or not, but she looked at me and she smiled like this was normal. And to me, it wasn't normal because we didn't communicate. But I learned then that I need to communicate better when I go on dates about certain things. You learn. My profile when I started on Tinder wasn't good at first, and I kept redoing it and redoing it and doing it until it got really good that it was like that. I kept working on things to say, icebreakers to say to women when I'd match with them. And then I started whittling it down to okay, if I want this to happen, I'm going to say this first. And however they react is however they react. But it was growth. I kept doing it over and over again. I kept dating more and more and more. So if you don't feel like you're getting any better, maybe you need some outside help. That's just one option. You can read books, you can watch YouTube videos, or you can do it the old-fashioned way and just go and fail and go and fail and go and fail. The only difference between people getting good at dating and the people who stay exactly the same and complain about it are some people learn and grow and start understanding how this works. And there's fast ways like getting a coach, or there's trial and error. And it takes a little longer, but you got to learn from your mistakes. Sometimes you can't see what you're doing wrong. So write down 3 things that you've gotten better at through repetition. And then ask yourself why dating would be any different. So what have you been calling a personal failure that's actually just an early attempt? Just think about it.